fun fact, our sleep is important.
What now?
Fun fact, kills are not important, so you don't need to get like 14 kills before giving a farmer.
Yeah, but like killing is also important because you get loot from it.
No, killing early game doesn't give anything but iron.
Iron's still good, and you're stuck loading. Yo, hey, my PC runs so much better now. I can even play on max graphics. Yay! Yes, you can play on max graphics and have at least 50 FPS. That's actually good now. Let's go. Holy up PC upgrade.
Where's the sprint button?
What do you mean? Where's the sprint button?
Yo, why is the sprint not that fast?
Because they accidentally nerfed it. I guess I don't know.
Let's rush, I need to get some fragments.
Oh my God! The other the Trinity saved me. What? Oh my God! The Trinity saved me. And and then bro, the Trinity saved me. And then as soon as he saved me, he got the angel upgrade. He might be a true angel, guys. Never mind. Don't mind the noise in the background. Diba?
Damn them, bro. I need some fragments.
But I'm getting cooked by them, bro. Bro, we finna get cooked.
Got this.
Fight, fight, fight to the death. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. What the hell? Yo, I got 40 iron from them.
I have.
But like, I low-key need it.
I know we need it.
Pero you don't need to buy a sword and I have to pa.
Because I have a sword now.
That upgrades from fighting. Oi, what the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Uh, oh my, this is low-key laggy. Can I play my... I guess it looks good. Iron armor. Iron armor. Ah! That's so good, Evelyn. Play, bro.
RGB!
My Evelyn play was so good, it's absurd. Yeah. Yeah, blow. Yeah, girl. Bro, I'm filming. I can't say what we usually say.
Like, yeah, here.
Yeah, but good thing they can't hear you um being discrimination. I guess I.
Like, yeah, make you're so pretty.
Man, I don't want to get banned. Fudge. Ah! Ah! I think that guy clearly targeted me, guys. Diba?
I can only hear you, so they think you're talking to yourself.
Yeah, but I'll tell them I'm just talking to you. Death to the spot, bang, 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 bang. Then I think, oh god, oh god. How did that Adaton they switch his power midway? Now he's dead. Got the bed, got the bed, I got the bed, I got the bed.
I got strength 2 before I fell in love.
Holy.
I didn't. No, I think it's just me saying I got strength tier 2 before I fell in the void.
Turned me into a great man. Turns into Albert Einstein.
Turn me into the world's best
now it's really a good thing they can't hear you. I'm jumping the healer. What just happened? Hey, wait, Renzo, what just happened to you? What? Help! Die. Can't. I cannot. I cannot. I cannot. I'm dead. Help! Help me! Help! Help! Oh my god, I killed one. I mean, it's smart. I mean, that duo is smart, man. Fight him head on, bro. Why would I know that? Bro, the quality of TS finna be bro. I'm scared. No one's gonna watch it. Just imagine no one watches it. Bro, why'd you say no one already will? That's so mean. I'm reporting it to Mrs. Boostum. Hindi. Bro, why did you try to... Oh, I just diarrheaed my pants, bro. So I think we can chill for a bit, you know. I just want my crossbow, and I'm chill, and then we might win, you know. Man, why not? Bro, I'm drunk. Trust. Cause I ate champagne flavored chocolate. Trust. Yeah, trust. Oh! I'm cornered at mid. I'm cornered at mid. No, like actually. I. Oh! 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 I did a glitch that made me take no. I'm on 5 HP. Oh, what was that? I got a crossbow anyways, so that's what matters. That's, I fell, I placed the block, and then the block took all the fall damage. I don't know how. Like, I took no fall damage. Did I just take fall damage from a. No, no, I won't even question it. The buy needed. I don't know, bro, but the buy should get a new microphone, because my microphone's so arigato, guy. Ah! 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 He's dead. But ah! 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 No chance. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. No, I'm genuinely dead. You think I can make that jump? Holy! Holy! Ah! Die! 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 Got him. Fudge. a lot of these guys. Don't ask. Don't ask.
Yo, Jimmy, don't ask where I am.
Where are you?
Don't ask.
But I am.
I'll show you.
Where?
I'm just hopping bases right now for loot.
Can you break some beds while you're at it?
Man, there's no best, bro. I'm looting dead things.
Bro, try to, bro. I believe in you.
There's like, bro, every base I'm hopping to, MPC.
Bro, if I become popular, I'm gonna buy you a PC. I'm gonna buy you the best PC.
The best.
If, if, if.
So, is that a not broken bed? Oh, there's a lot.
Then break it! Why'd I fall? Why'd I fall? Why did I fall? Why am I falling? Die. Holy! I'm dead. No way. Yo, you broke their bed and I killed the brown. Okay! Okay, wait. I'm dead. Holy. Holy! Okay, wait. I might have killed a brown team diamond armor member and a pink team member, or purple team member. I'm colorblind, but still,
Bro, not brown team.
I bet.
Jimmy, while you're over there just killing people, I'm just breaking the bed.
Break the last bed. This is
Wait,
Finn.
yo, Jimmy, where's Magenta team everyone follow me?
I don't know, man. I
I'm just
see you.
gonna go back to looting dead bases.
Uh,
They might have reports.
who?
Blue team.
Uh,
Then there's the next spot.
and this.
This spot should be
Bro, you walk past them. You know the base with just a plain wood layer?
course. These and
Holy play.
alright,
Holy. You're dead. Break the bed.
that's their base.
Got them. One of them fell in the void as soon as I. Nah, man, it's GG's. We won.
Nice.
Peace, guys.